Boom, nigga, you know what time it is. You're cooking with Kurt, aka No Knife, live outside the motherfucking Credit Union 1 Amphitheater, man, Tinsley Park, Illinois. About 15 minutes outside of Chicago. This is the Good Vibes Only tour. I am that nigga in the motherfucking kitchen. You see what I'm saying? Today, we doing jerk chicken tacos with a side of rice. You know what I'm saying? Top with a ranch, sriracha, blend. You know what I'm saying? Taco sauce. Let's do it. What's your ingredients today, No Knife? Ranch dressing, sriracha sauce, jasmine rice, long grain, you know what I'm saying? Jerk marinade, coleslaw mix, onion, red peppers, chicken breast, rinsed and cleaned with vinegar, limes, pepper jack cheese, corn tortillas, and flour tortillas. Boom, what you gonna do first, No Knife? I'm gonna go and put the little sauce together so this don't be something at the end that fuck around and slow me down. Putting you down like I do every time. It's No Knife, nigga. You know it. You know it. You know it. You wanna go ranch dressing? You wanna go about 60% ranch dressing? You wanna go about 40% hot sriracha sauce? You know what I'm saying? Cool. So I can have somebody working on that while I got them get to the rest of this shit. Hold on. Shake that up. Okay. They know how to catch. Boom. Chicken breast. As you can see, we already got the grill going. You know what I'm saying? Go on stage. What time is it? 6:17. I go on stage in 43 minutes. Do I look like I'm worried? Yo, Q! Fuck with me with the rice cooker, bro. That's my assistant, Chef Q. He gonna goddamn come get the rice cooker going. This right here, they say only use a spoonful. This the one. It's the hot and spicy, so you don't need too much, but you know, I like some spicy shit. You know what I'm saying? What No Knife told you supposed to do when you seasoning and marinating that meat. What you supposed to do? You're supposed to beat that meat. Beat that meat. So you get that marinade all up and through there. You know what I'm saying? All up and through there. Yeah, we gonna need some more. We definitely gonna need some more. If I was at the crib, I'd have a brush. I could brush it on there, but I ain't at the crib though. You know what I'm saying? What No Knife told you to do, change your gloves, ain't it? Ain't that what I told you? Boom. This No Knife. Don't even play like that. We gonna sit that over there by the grill. Next thing we gonna do, boom, let's get them peppers cut. Finally got a real knife out this bitch. So that's something I learned a little chef shit. Take the top of that bitch, push that hoe in. You know what I'm saying? Now that bitch out your way. Do it like that. Then you cut it. Take the top of that bitch, top of that motherfucker, push her in. Go over, get rid of that part, and you save all the rest of that. We ain't wasting no pepper, nigga. You ain't know that. I see him over there like, damn, new information. Fuck with that nigga No Knife. Man, it's No Knife, nigga. You know it. You know it. I go on stage in about, how long? 30 minutes. Sometimes I be seeing how you be looking when the plates come out. I'm gonna make sure you get one today, all right? Make sure you get one. Everybody eats, bro. Peppers right there, boom. You got that rice going on in that rice cooker. Yeah. Come on now. Onions. Come on now. No Knife, nigga. You know it. You know it. Boom. Got them peppers and onions. Already got them chopped up off to the side. We gonna make this shit real quick today. What you doing with the coleslaw mix, No Knife? We gonna take motherfucking lemon juice. Lime juice and honey. Where that motherfucking honey at? Where that honey at? Boom. We gonna take lime juice and honey. Show you nigga what's happening. Really cool, man. Do this for me. Do this for me so I can get straight to the chicken. We'll go straight to the chicken breast, nigga. Let's go. What's up with you, baby? Good to see you. Good to see you. Who fucked up my grill? Yo. Come on now. We're gonna go olive oil. I got about 20 minutes till showtime. While we got that going, we pretty much on cruise control at this point. You see what I'm saying? Jerk chicken taco, about 5-6 ingredients, nigga. You see what I'm saying? We got the you know, well marinated jerk chicken breast. You see what I'm saying? We got Lil Dude right here. He checking it out. He wants some of this shit for sure. Lil Dude, well marinated chicken breast. We got the chopped onions and peppers on standby. You know what I'm saying? We gonna blend that in with it later. We got the coleslaw mix. Getting the lime juice added and the honey added. Shout out to my red bone, man. She the one put me down for this with this right here recipe, man. You know this your shit, right? This your flavor right here. Let's go. Boom, yeah. You know it. Cooking with Kurt, nigga. Look at them chicken breasts. A lot of niggas just burn it on each side, then flip it. That ain't what we doing over here. When you fucking with No Knife, we really gonna cook something. You know what I'm saying? We really gonna cook something. We want them nice big juice ass chicken breasts. You really gonna have to cook fucking with No Knife. Notice the grill is on the hill. I repeat, the grill is on the hill, so all the oil is coming to the front of the grill. But everybody know No Knife don't panic. Look, you scared. You better go put a glove on. You scared. You can't even get what No Knife doing. Cause you scared cause the grill is on the hill. Guess who ain't scared, nigga? No Knife. Let's go. The grill is on the hill, so we gonna slide chicken breast back downhill where the oil at. What No Knife tell you to do when you want that shit to be nice and tender? What No Knife tell you to do? Put a lid on it. That's exactly what that nigga told you. That nigga told you put a motherfucking lid on it when you want it to be tender, nigga. Nigga, No Knife hot, boy. Hot out here. Thank you. All right, boom. Now that we got our lime juice squares in there, I'm gonna go in with the honey. Coleslaw mix, lime juice, that lime juice at the bottom, and honey. Mix that up real good. Show y'all nigga how to make some jerk chicken tacos. It's No Knife, you know it. I be walking past niggas at the shows, I be out and about all them public days. No Knife, you cooking today? You know it. You know it. You mean it's no knife cooking today. You know it. Goddamn well no knife cooking today, nigga. What's going on with the chicken breast, no knife? Let's go find out. Boom. They just asked no knife what was going on with the chicken breast. I say let's go find out. Fuck is you talking about? Yes, Lord. Look at that texture. Oh, look at that texture. Come on, man. What's going on with the chicken breast, no knife? They cooking nice and slow. That's what's going on with the chicken breast. We won't keep mixing this because we want it nice and blended. We want, you know, every bit of that coleslaw mix to soak up some of that lime juice, soak up some of that honey. Ooh, somebody got this with some shots of tequila? No, man. All this going in there. We need all that good lime juice over in there. You know it. Why you got that cutting board over there next to the chicken breast, no knife? Let's go find out. Boom, I go Blues Clues on you bitch ass niggas, huh? They say, why you got the cutting board over there by the chicken breast, no knife? I said, let's go find out. Look at that. Look at that there. Man, stop, please, before I hurt somebody. Stop, stop. About to get this nigga out the kitchen, man. But he not even in the kitchen. Exactly. Come on, man. It's no knife. What you about to go do with that chicken breast, no knife? Let's go find out. I'm gonna show you how to get 100 million off cooking food. Are you ready? Boom. What we about to do now is cut that chicken breast down. But while we do that, we gonna go ahead and be heating this up because this way it's going. All right? Don't worry about that. I can pick that back up. Fuck with me, Ty. You can leave it out. That's how I'm rocking it. Say less. Boom. Now, why you put that chicken breast on that cutting board, them juicy ass motherfucking chicken breasts on that cutting board like that, no knife? Why you put them juicy ass motherfucking chicken breasts on that cutting board like that, no knife? Look at them juices. Look at them juices, nigga. It's no knife. Fuck is you talking about? Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna show you what them chicken breasts supposed to look like. Oh my God. Huh? Them bitches squirt. Look at that. Them bitches squirt. Ooh. Ooh, they squirt. Look, they squirt. Yeah, y'all over there, give me some paper towels. These chicken breasts squirting. Run. Jerk chicken breast squirting. Jerk juice everywhere, nigga. This is no knife. Stop playing. You know I ain't need a knife to cut these, but I just wanted to demonstrate. This is ridiculous. This makes no sense, no knife. Look at that. Come on, man. Fucking with it. No knife. You know it. No knife got that chicken breast juice all over your motherfucking face, boy. Come on now, if you gonna make a mess like that, you got to goddamn clean up. Usually do. What time you got, Ty? I go on stage in 16 minutes. Jerk chicken tacos, no knife. But no knife told you to do, man, when you get to touching all different type of shit. Change your gloves, nasty ass, nigga, boom. We got the peppers and onions. Remember, I go on stage in 13 minutes. Do I look like I'm under pressure? I'm not, nigga. Edges, peppers and onions. So this shit so much on autopilot, it's like, it don't even fucking matter. What you do when you want them vegetables to get nice and soft, no knife? You put a lid on it, nigga. It's your scary ass. Scary ass out of here.
Remember you hit me earlier?
You like that jab? We hit each other at the same time. Move, bro. Move. You know what I want to do to you, but I would never have a gun with me at any one of my concerts. I would never have a gun with me at any one of my concerts. So just wait till we leave and we go back to where I can legally carry.
Let me get mine back.
My hat back on my head. All right, that's cool, because you know no knife would never have no gun. Nigga, fuck you, nigga. I ain't shaking your head. No knife would never have no gun. You know, I'm gonna burn you later on. The mic still on? I'm gonna burn you as soon as we leave.
We even, guys.
As soon as we leave, I'm gonna burn you. If that nigga put his hands on me after I get done doing my job, the grill is on a motherfucking hill. So that's why we want to make sure we go ahead and flatten that out. Make sure that oil don't get to running, because the grill is on a hill. Good corn tortillas. Let me go get some more. The corn tortillas, we got flour tortillas. Ain't the kind I usually get, but this'll do. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know it. You know I don't miss, baby. You know I don't fucking miss, baby. I'm seeing how I see. You know I don't fucking miss, baby. The little gray one. I said, this shit is some ice. Shit on fire. Fuck that. Fuck that taco holder shit. These shit's hot. No knife just gonna get done with his bare motherfucking hand. Oh, no knife about made a mistake. Move them. This shit hot. Fuck. Shit. Shit too hot for no knife. This is too hot for no knife right now, bro. Shit. All right. Now, we ain't do this on a flat surface because we want to hold on to all that juice that came up out them juicy ass motherfucking chicken breasts. We want all that. We want all that juice that came up out them juicy ass chicken breasts. So that's why we gonna switch to, you know what I'm saying, more of a skillet or a pan instead of just doing it on the flat grill. See that flavor all up and through there. Come on now. What you gonna do next, no knife? We gonna go make some tacos. What time you got? 7 o'clock. I go on stage and goddamn in about 5 minutes. Cool, we gonna go. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put some of that jerk chicken on there. Some with that juice on it, no knife. Give me some with that juice on it, no knife. Boom, cool. I say, give me some with that juice on it, no knife. Boom. We ain't gonna overdo it. Just enough on there because we got our other toppings that gotta go on there. You know what I'm saying? Cool. Boom, we got that slaw. They got that lime juice and that honey mixed up in there. You know what I'm saying? Then we gonna go pepper jack cheese. Then we got that ranch and that sriracha. We're gonna come this way. We're gonna do it with a little side of rice. Boom, you know what it is, nigga. Jerk chicken tacos. You fucking with no knife. I gotta be on the stage in 3 minutes. I'm gone.